Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this phenomenal Mercedes-Benz A Class 2-litre A45 AMG Premium 4MATIC. This vehicle has currently run 41,635 miles and it's finished in the colour Cirrus White. It does come with full Mercedes-Benz service history. It's a well looked after hot hatch. It sits nicely on the optional extra 19-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. There is also keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle very straightforward. Here in the boot you'll find 341 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,157 with the rear seats down. Take a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous part leather seats. You have the nice Alcantara in the centre. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat in. You also have the red seat belts which pop nicely in the interior. You've got your leather and Alcantara AMG flat bottom steering wheel there. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with heaps of natural lighting, and your Recaro sport front seats. You do have full electric adjustment as well as memory presets so you can adjust very easily. Your Harman Kardon sound system that you have throughout the interior sounds absolutely incredible and is perfect if you love your music. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the trip display in the instrument cluster. To the right you've got controls for the infotainment system. On the display here you've got access to all of your standard driving data such as average miles to the gallon. There's also a digital speedometer, even access to navigation, audio, telephone. Your driver assist features with the collision prevention assist and attention assist. There is also your vehicle and system settings here as well. You also have your AMG display. At the top of the dashboard in the centre here you do have your infotainment screen. The main controls are here in the centre console. You have your dial as well as your back button. The system does have access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively you can connect your own source of audio here in the media section. You do have USB, a CD player, SD input and of course your Bluetooth as well. This A45 does come equipped with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. Moving on now, and here in the telephone menu you do have your Bluetooth telephone connectivity. There is also an internet option as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to keep you well connected with your smartphone and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls or texts. You do also have some vehicle settings here. You do have your owner's manual, you can see the time as well as your vehicle settings. You do have ambient lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from. You can also adjust the brightness and additional lighting features here in the settings. This A45 does come equipped with a rear camera as well as front and rear sensors to make parking super easy. Here in the centre of the dashboard you do have some additional infotainment controls. You also have your heated front seats and there's also your button for opening up the valves for the exhaust. Underneath there you do have your automatic dual zone climate control. In front of this you'll also find a 12-volt socket, your automatic gear selector here in the centre, and behind this you'll also find your different driving modes. You've got access to Comfort, Sport, as well as Sport Plus and Individual, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.